all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, division. Division is equal sharing. Remember that. Number 1, 2 boys share 4 apples. 1 boy got 2 apples. Okay. Number 2, 2 girls share 6 bananas. Okay. 1 girl gets how many bananas? See, 1, 2, 3. Number 3, 2 men share 8 mangoes. 1 man gets how many mangoes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 boys share 10 pencils. 1 boy gets 5 pencils. 15 strawberries are divided equally among 3 sisters. How many strawberries will each sister get? Each sister will get how many strawberries? Okay, if we divide 15 strawberries equal among 3 sisters, one sister will get 5 strawberries. Okay, divide 15 strawberries into 3 groups. How many strawberries does each group contain? 5. How many 3s in 15? We write the problem in this way. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay. This is the symbol of division. Okay. From multiplication table, you know that 3 5s are 15 or 3s in a 15 equal 5. We write this fact as under. 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. 5 times 3 is equals to 15. See, 5 times 3 is equals to 15. So, 15 divided by 3 is what? 5. 15 divided by 3 is 5. You will get this answer. Okay. From 5 into 3 is equals to 15, we get the division fact. 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5, or simply you can do like this. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Dividing equally. Divide 6 softies into 2 equal parts. Okay. Let's divide them. See. Okay, we have divided them in 2 equal groups. Dash 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. How many 2s are there in 6? How many 2s are there? 3. Okay. In one group, there are 3 softies. Okay. Now, divide 12 oranges into 3 equal groups. See. 1, this is one group. 2 group and 3. Okay. Dash 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Okay, because there are 4 oranges in one group. Okay. How many 3s are there in 12? 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. In one group there are 4 oranges. Now, next you will do it by yourself. Okay. Division as a repeated subtraction. The short way of adding equal numbers is multiplication. The short way of subtracting equal number is division. Hari was ill. The doctor gave him 8 tablets. How many days did the medicine last if he had to take 2 tablets daily? First day. See, total number of tablets are 8. Okay, and every day he take 2 tablets. First day, 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. This is the first day. Okay. First day. Now, second day, what will you do? Now, 6 tablets are remaining, so you will minus 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Okay. Now, third day. Now, how many tablets remained? 4. So, 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Okay. Now, these 2 tablets were taken on 4th day. How? 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So, the medicine lasted for how many days? 4 days. Here, 2 has been subtracted how many times? 4 times. Okay. 4 times 2 is equals to 8. So, 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4, or you can write this 4 into 2 is equals to 8, or you can also write 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. This is the division fact, this is the multiplication fact. Okay. Division as a repeated subtraction on the number line. How many times can you subtract 5 from 20? Show the number line. Okay. Now, let's do on the number line how we can subtract 5 from 20. Okay. Start at 20, hop 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many times you have to jump? Let's check out. Until you get a 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many times you hopped? 4 times. Okay, we stop at a 0. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, or 20 divided by 5 is equals to 4. How many times can we subtract 2 from 10? So let's start from 10. 1, 2, 1 jump, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, until we get 0, until we reach a 0. Okay, so how many times can we subtract? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Okay, next, 12 divided by 6. How many times can we subtract 6 from 12? Okay, we'll start from 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many times? Only 2 times. Okay. Multiplication and division are related. The picture shows 10 cats arranged in groups of 2. It shows a multiplication fact 5 into 2 is equals to 10. It shows a division fact 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. From the multiplication fact, which is 2 into 5 is equals to 10, we get the division fact, that is 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. So, division and multiplication are related. A few examples are given below. Multiplication fact 2 into 3 is equals to 6, and division fact is 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. Okay, and 3 into 2 is equals to 6, 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So, these are the multiplication facts and division fact of these multiplication facts, right? Now, multiplication and division. There are 2 division facts for each multiplication fact. For example, we have, see, 3 into 5 is equals to 15. This is the multiplication fact, and for this multiplication fact, we have 2 division facts. What are these 2 division facts? If you divide 15 by 5, you will get a 3. This is the first division fact. Okay, and when you divide 15 by 3, then what will you get? You will get this number 5. Okay, so every multiplication fact, there are always 2 division facts, right? Write 2 division facts for each multiplication fact. So, multiplication fact is 6 into 7 is equals to 42. Okay, let's write the division fact. Okay, so division facts are 42 divided by 7, we will get 6. Okay, and another division fact is 42 divided by 6. This time you will get 7. Okay, divide. 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2 is what? 7. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Okay. See, 2 7s are 14, 8 2s are 16. So, you can see how multiplication and division are related. Okay. Division by 2. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3, 8 divided by 2 is 4. You will get this answer. Okay. Here you will get 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Division by 3, in this case, same rule applies. Okay. 1 into 3 is a 3, okay. 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 3 or 4 3s are 12, okay. If you divide 3 by 3, you will get 1. If you divide 6 by 3, you will get 2, okay. If you divide 9 by 3, you will get 3, and if you divide 12 by 3, you will get a 4, okay. Division by 4, division by 5, same rule applies here also, okay. Similarly, division by 6, division by 7, here you will do the same thing, okay, up to division by 10. Now, division with remainder. Look at the following. There are 7 toy cars and 3 boys. Each boy gets how many cars? See, 1 group, 2 group and 3 groups. So, each boy gets 3 cars when divided equally. But how many cars remain? Okay, there is 1 car which left, okay, which is remaining. So, 7 is equals to 3 times 2 and 1. That means each boy gets 2 cars and 1 car remains. See, when we divide it, 3 2s are 6, okay, we'll minus it, 7 minus 6 is 1, okay. Now, 1 car remains. Second one is, there are 11 softy ice creams and 5 boys. How many softy ice creams does each boy get when divided equally? How many ice creams remain? See, 11 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. Remainder is 1. Okay. So, 11 is equals to 5 times 2 and 1. Each boy gets 2 ice creams and 1 ice cream remains. In third case, we have to place 32 mangoes into 6 equal groups. Okay. How many mangoes are there in each group and how many mangoes remain? Let's do it. You will divide 32 by 6. 6 5s are 30 and you will minus 2. Okay. How many mangoes remain? 2. Next, question number 1, divide and find the remainder. First one has been done for you. Let's do the second part. Okay, 4 7s are 28, okay, and when you minus, you'll get 1. This is the remainder, okay. Question number 2, divide and find the remainder. One has been done for you. Second one, 645. 6 7s are 42. 5 minus 2 is 3. So, 3 is the remainder. Okay. Word problems. Example 1. On his birthday, Rohan distributed 85 sweets among his 7 friends equally. How many sweets did each one get? How many sweets were left? Okay. So, it's Rohan's birthday and he wanted to distribute sweets among his 7 friends. So, he had 85 sweets which he wanted to distribute among his 7 friends equally. So, we have to find out how many sweets did each one get and how many sweets were left. So, total number of sweets. 85. Number of friends. How many friends did he have? 7. So, number of sweets each friend got. Okay. What will you do? You will divide 85 divided by 7. Let's divide it. 7. Okay. We'll divide 1 by 1. Okay. Means we'll take first one number. 7 ones are 7. 1 remainder. Then 5. 7 twos are 14. 1 remainder. Okay. So, each friend gets 12 sweet and 1 sweet is left. Okay. Work out the following problems. In a class, there are 45 students and 8 benches. If equal number of students are seated on them, how many students are left out? Okay. Let's check this out. See, total students, how many students are there? 45. And number of benches, 8. So, number of students on each bench. What will you do? You will divide 45 by 8. Let's do it. 8 5s are 40 and 5 is the remainder. That means 5 students are left out, okay, who didn't get the bench. Okay. Next, unique nature of 0 and 1. Let us consider the special nature of 0 and 1 in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operation. Addition. Nature of 0. On adding 0 to any number, we get the number itself, which you already know. Okay. Example, 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay. Okay. Now, nature of 1. On adding 1 to any number, we get the number just after that. Okay. Means, if we add 1 to 5, we'll get 6. If we add 1 to 10, we'll get 11. Means the number just after that. Okay. Subtraction. Nature of 0. Subtraction. Subtracting 0 gives the number itself. Example, 8 minus 0 is 8. 11 minus 0 is 11. Okay. And on subtracting 1, we get the number before it. For example, if you minus 1 from 20, we'll get the number just before. Just before what? Just before 20, that is 19. Okay. Multiplication. On multiplying any number by 0, we get the product as 0, which you already know. With whatever the number is, whenever we multiply the number by 0, we always get a 0 as product. And on multiplying any number by 1, we get the number itself. Okay. Now, division. We cannot divide any number by 0. Okay. However, dividing 0 by any number gives 0. See, we cannot divide any number by 0. This is not possible. But whenever we divide 0 by any number, we get the 0. Okay. And on dividing a number by 1, we get the number itself. That is, if you divide 8 by 1, we will get 8. If you divide 17 by 1, we will get 17. Okay. So, student, here comes the end of this chapter, and keep practicing, as practice makes a man perfect.